Welcome to Maritime Destination. Today we have Sri Amar Singh Thakurji. He is the General Secretary of MUI, that is the Maritime Union of India. It has around 35 to 40,000 members. Welcome Amar Singh ji.
Thank you, Pandit.
Sir, my first question to you is what's your observation and action during this period of Corona?
Well said. First of all, it's my pleasure to be here with you. The first observation in the March when we came to know that the whole world was stopped due to Corona, due to lockdown period, and nobody was on the road. Everybody was stuck at home.
Correct.
So it was very difficult time and very challenging time. Seafarer, some people they wanted to sign off. They start approaching to union. There's a provision problem. There's a lot of impact on the shipping industries. Ship were moving, but they were not allowed to have berthing and everything. So there were a lot of problem going on.
Correct.
In that scenario, we had a meeting as a union and the stakeholder, our ship owners, everybody was worrying about their seafarers, how to sign off, how to sign on, and how to look after them. We are looking after the welfare of the seafarer.
Correct.
The thing is that when we came to know, so we had a meeting with the shipping ministry and even DG shipping and all stakeholders. So we had a webinar meeting. Initially, it was really, the shipping minister was also very keen to resolve these issues. So we had a meeting 2-3 times. Then we came to know that we have to take a serious, we have to think seriously about it.
Correct.
So first section, I tell me when I came to a JNPT, that ship tender he cannot supply the provision to the seafarer in onboard ship, and sign on problem. Port worker they are not allowing to seafarer to go inside the port. So it was a challenging job. So, but we still managed. We went to and we discussed with other union also in the port workers union also. So anyhow, we managed to sign on and from there the provision to be supplied to the ships, onboard ship. So we managed to supply the provision, and then again challenge were not stopping. It was increasing only. There was a ship in Bombay. It was standing, and there are a lot of seafarers. They want to sign off. They are from Goa most probably, and some part of Cochin and all. And it was really, we can say, totally blackout period. Even there was no transportation. If suppose seafarer is from Bombay, he has to visit some other place. It was very difficult.
Correct.
Because without transport he cannot go. And then he's stuck here in Bombay, and companies also they were worrying. So finally, our shipping ministry, I must thank to our government, is very cooperative, and especially DG shipping also, Shri Amitabh Kumar ji, and even Captain Daniel Joseph, and they all were working, and all shipping industry, even unions, we were working together. So we approached to even Home Ministry also, Shri Mansukh Bhai Mandaviya ji, he approached shipping, and they are laid on some SOP guidelines and all. So at least thanks that we have started sign on in to Indian ports only, because once we came to know that ships are coming in Indian ports.
Correct.
But they cannot sign up in Indian ports also. So we took matter, we said that our Indian seafarer and ships are coming in Indian ports. If Indian ports are not allowing to sign up them, then where they will sign up?
Correct.
You can't expect them to go to foreign ports and sign up, because there is different nationality, no?
Correct.
So we fought for that. We convinced them. Then there was problem for if suppose you sign off, then there problem for the e-pass from going one place to another place. Other states, when go to one state to another state, that were different guidelines. And nobody was, matter of fact, nobody wanted to take this chance, because of this is the, this is a different type of disease. So what to do? Then also, they started, at least the government has given the permission to sign off people in Indian ports. So we managed to sign off a lot of seafarers. So that was really thanks to government. They have listened to our Indian seafarers. Indian ports, at least they have encouraged all Indian ports, people should sign off. And then there were other like a port, like a Paradip port, Kanda port, some other port. There are different guidelines, some medical issues, and some other issues. Solely we resolved our issue. We were writing regularly to the CMD, to the port authority, to the shipping ministry, everywhere. Everybody were running around till the problem solved. So we managed at least SOP guidelines were very good. It was fruitful, and government is very helpful. And at least we managed to now at present till now more than 150,000 seafarer has signed on sign off. It is really great efforts by our government, and in fact we have signed off foreign people, foreign seafarer also. Our government of India has allowed. No one other government allowed. Even foreign ports are not allowing.
Correct.
Still we managed to sign up them.
Correct.
In foreign port, lot of company also approaches to us, and there was a problem like a UK, like a USA, like Germany. Lot of seafarers, those who are having this passport expired, some visa expired. So we used to contact embassies, and even their local union help. That was big help for us because we are collaborating with the local union also now, because around we are affiliated to ITF, and worldwide there are a lot of there are 640 unions. So we are meeting regularly to them. So we take the help from them also. For example, in Korea, one ship was in Korea, and one seafarer, chief officer wife, she wanted to sign off. She was pregnant, and this time it was very difficult. Then they approached us. Then immediately I took action. I wrote to DG also. I wrote to Captain Daniel. I wrote to an embassy. Then finally I took the help from the local union, Korean union. I wrote to the president. He also responded. He went there. He managed to get the visa and all. He took them in the hotel very safely. He assured me that the wife will be definitely safely. She will be landed in Delhi. So these are the difficulty we found, and we managed to get everybody, even Vietnam also, and some other union like even USA. There were a lot of issues. Port has problem, other problem. So one by one, we solve each issues, and we were successfully brought our seafarer back.
Correct. Amar Singh ji, you are a union of officers. So being an officers union, was it difficult or easier than union of other ranks?
See, it is not so difficult because officers are well matured. They can understand the situation of this in COVID time, and we have our women, this thing. So they were taking care of the families. So every time our Saleha woman wing, she is the coordinator of woman wing. She was continually having the webinars and all, and giving the moral support to the wives of sea. Because if the family is happy, so seafarer is happy.
Correct.
So she was taking very good efforts, and she was doing webinars like food fest, other thing, any problem, sign out. She was consoling. So don't worry about it. So and our officers, they are well matured. They can convince other like a rating and all. We don't worry about this. Is the part of the game. It is like now we have to fight with the individual enemy. So this COVID is such. We can't predict also when it will finish. So it was not so difficult. We were very easier way. It is easy to handle officers than other things. So that's what.
Good. And now, how are you dealing the cases of standard seafarers? Whether it's a case of piracy or sometimes there is no food on the ship, that's also considered as a standard seafarers. And if there's some legal issues with our officers, how you are dealing all these things?
See, first of all, our officers who are in problem, when you approach us, our first action will always be there. We always take the help of the government. We write to shipping ministry, we write to DG, so we write to all relevant authorities. So this is our seafarer stuck and so there. So please give us access or help us. Then we approach to the particular area, the particular area union, like a local union. We take from them also. Now in piracy, we can at least we can only help them to for the welfare of CPR. At least the company, we approach the company that their family should be kept in loop and just moral support to them, and their payment wages should be given in time. So they should not be panicky and all. And we advise them not to panic down to disclose here and there, so that because media nowadays if it flares up, then the problem can be different. Because for the SCB they always take the ransom and all. Now issue of like a standard like a food and a provision, it's not there. So we are advising to the master if the wages or food, if it not be given by the ship owner. So now there is a provision for the MLC 2006. There is an insurance, there is a surety. So they must claim that. So P&A club can give the provision and the 4-month wages, whichever it this thing. So even the seafarer can sign off after getting that wages. That is the provision in the MLC 2006. So we guide the people in that way. Now regarding accidental and everything, because recently we have seen that in Mauritius, there's the one ship that Wakshio, the Captain Nandishwar. I was in regular touch with his family and all. And the incident happened on 25th July, but the thing is that the matter came on 6th August. That was a lot of pollution and everything, and there's a environmental protest, this thing. So there are a lot of problems going on. So they took them in custody. So immediately when we came to know, so we are MUI, we have written the all authorities, all relevant authorities, even DG shipping, even ministry, and even foreign ambassador or embassy or even Mauritius embassies, Mauritius, then Mauritius government के से बात किया. Then they have we have demanded that there should be a fair trial. That should not come under local pressure or any pressure that unnecessarily our seafarer will be victimized or criminalized. We are nowadays there are criminalization going on. So we demanded that, and they assured us that it will not happen like that way. Then we contacted even the barrister. The company has appointed the lawyer over there. We and our legal team is definitely they are in touch with the lawyer, and we are getting every day or whenever he is there, we are getting updates. So we have demanded that at least captain should come out on bail. He should be kept in good, decent accommodation to be given to him. And proper inquiry to be conducted, that is no problem, because it's a nature, it's a law of land.
Correct.
So we don't seek, if there is inquiry, he will attend the inquiry, but he should be bailed out from there and kept in some hotel or some good accommodation, and he can attend the thing. So far it's going on, but his next hearing will be on 6th October. So we will come to know about this incident, whether he will be bailed out or not. So we have contacted embassy also to give the surety, because Sri Lankan government has already given the surety for their seafarer. So even I talked to DG also, Sri Amita Akbarji, he assured me definitely I will talk to embassy of Mauritius. And I think they would have given this in surety, and must have given. Even the company and local union, they are also giving the surety for his bailout. That's what we are doing. We are regularly in touch with the family also. Even wages concerned also, when she approached me, I said, don't worry, you will get the wages. So finally I talked to the company. Company has already, so the company is also very good. They are looking after it, because Anglo, Freight, Valam, we don't have any problem. They look after very well. Yeah, Insa, Masa, Folma companies are they are very good companies. So we always encourage the seafarer to go in a good company. Otherwise, you go, you will stuck somewhere and then you will land in problem. So don't go in flying by night companies.
Correct. So means we can say after Modi है तो मुमकिन है के बाद MUI है तो मुमकिन है.
ये तो सही है कि MUI है तो मुमकिन है. So we are doing our best, and we encourage our seafarer, don't worry. MUI is there, MUI woman being is there. We are there for you, your family. If any problem, you contact MUI, but you be a member of MUI. There are a lot of MUI, and you must be, because you can be a member of any union, but MUI is the only union for the officers. So you must become a member. Because I have seen a lot of cases when they got stuck, they got sitting, and even there some family like Seafarer, he expired on leave, and he's not the member. He's a good company, but he's not a member of MUI. So that creates problem. So we need a membership. He should be a member of union, because even a legal action or something when we go, and even anywhere Seafarer go, then they ask which union you are a member. So I must request that all Seafarers, they must be member of our union.
In the last, on a lighter note, Amar Singh ji, things were smooth before COVID-19. And did you ever feel that where we got standard with the new SOPs and all, ऐसा लगा कभी कहाँ फंस गया अभी ये सब SOP के चक्कर में?
नहीं, it was देखो challenges were there, but I say ना कोरोना है, हमको कोरोना से लड़ना है, कोरोना से डरना नहीं है. तो हमें तो ऐसा लगा नहीं, हम लोग तो ऑफिस भी जाते रहे, हम अपना फर्ज अदा करते रहे कि सीफेयर है तो हम हैं, सीफेयर नहीं तो हम भी नहीं है, और कंपनी है तो सीफेयर है, और सीफेयर है तो कंपनी नहीं है. सो ये तो ईच ए गिव एंड टेक है. सो अगर हम सीफेयर को बराबर करेंगे तो सीफेयर डेफिनेटली सोचा कि यस आई विल बी मेंबर ऑफ एमईआई, व्हाई आई विल बी मेंबर ऑफ एमईआई. एंड सी अभी लाइक दैट IMO ने एक बनाया था कि sensitivity on severe and safe planet something. Correct. That was the theme. Correct. Sensitivity. But I must say कि without severe there is no sensitivity. True. Severe है तो sensitivity आता है automatically. तो company should also look after them well, and most of the companies are looking after them well. There is no, we have taken the issue with so many things, and they have given also additional compensation advance, everything they are given. But I still say that one should be honest to the company. Seafarers should be honest to the company. These are the crucial time. We must help the company also, and company should help the seafarer also. Because it is a give and take this thing. Today, this time comes and goes. Because we have to fight with this individual army. So we are fighting. Our seafarer, they should not be adamant. ओके 1 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, 2 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गए. पहले तो हम लोग 12-12 महीने भी रहते थे, पर अभी आज पर MLC तो आज का चलो 11 महीना, तो कम से कम 11 month. See, no company wants that their seafarer should not be signed off. Every company wants my seafarer should come back home. True. And they are trying their best. So my main advice to the seafarer, कि at least be aware with the company also and save your employment. That is more important. If we are having negative attitude and we are not supporting the company, then the Croatian, then Russian, then the Sri Lankan, then other things, they of Philippines, that seafarer, they will take advantage and our employment will go down. True. So that's what my advice is that.
Thank you so much, Amar Singh ji. Thank you so much for spending your time.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.